windy, chilly, but the sun. Sammy, you've been positive today. I like it.
Always.
You are kind of a positive person. Like the sun was what you noticed, not the 40-mile-an-hour winds that were coming out of the north.
I'm just happy that it's bright out there. The days are it just makes you feel good.
Oh, well, I wanted to get my fresh air today. I'm just saying it was hard to ignore the wind.
Yeah. Oh no, I wasn't. No, don't get me wrong, Coco. I wasn't saying you're a pessimist.
I take things really personally.
But this might have been this could have been a litmus test today. Like, what did you notice about today? Sun or the wind? You know. And both were quite noteworthy. We had a lot of sun, a lot of wind. 40 miles an hour, 45 in Millinocket, and 33 in Holton. So these winds were quite gusty. Didn't do any damage, but noticeable. Here's our next storm system coming out of northern Louisiana and through Mississippi and Alabama. And it will be a bigger deal for southern New England than it will be for us, but we're going to get clipped with it tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night with a little light snow. So I've been saying that this model is just a tiny bit too fast in my opinion, but it's not far enough off that I didn't want to show it to you, where the snow breaks out in the afternoon, southwest to northeast. And I do think by the evening commute time that a good part of southern Maine is seeing at least light snow. Now, because it's during the day and it's this time of the year, it may be accumulating just on grass and cars and not on the roads. I think that's probably likely during the day. When the sun sets, then we'll accumulate it everywhere, and that snow will continue to about midnight over most areas, and then we're done with this. And whatever snow you get, an inch or two is what we're looking at here, probably melt it during the day on Thursday as temperatures pop into the upper 40s and low 50s. And if you don't melt it on Thursday, you get another chance on Friday. We'll once again be in the mid 40s. So this is just kind of that short-lived snowfall that you get this time of the year. So amounts, not too exciting. 1 to 2 inches will do it into the mid-coast and southern coastal Maine, coating to an inch for the rest of the state. We are still watching this storm system on Saturday, which has trended colder, starts as rain, tries to crash snow down all the way to the coast Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. I think there's hope for the mountains in northern Maine. I don't think this is a big snow producer for the coastline. Changed my mind, though. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on this. Is what the Euro model thinks. I put not a forecast because I don't want to get screen grabbed on this. Screen grabbed and then it doesn't snow that much. I just think we talked about this. I think it's hard to get a lot of snow on the backside of a rainstorm. So we'll keep an eye on it. The mountains might be able to squeeze it out, which would be very beneficial for them, of course. Everyone will be happy if that's how it plays out. And then we're watching a front on Tuesday, which if it is on the right side of the front, we could be in the mid-50s on Tuesday. So, Paula pointed out to me, she looks at the app, which is very offensive, but she said it looks like winter is like loosening its grip, and I think that's a fair way to put this overall pattern going forward.
I will say I've been keeping an eye on the U.S. Ski Alpine Championships at Sugarloaf that are coming up at the end of March. I think they start March 20th and go through the 1st of April. I hope we're still going to have enough snow to make it, the world-class caliber skiing.
They'll
blow it. They'll blow it. They got to make it to Reggae Fest at least, so they usually ski through May 1st, one way or another.
I have no doubt that they can make the snow, but it would be really nice if we could show off what Maine is known for.
I know. We'll see. Maybe we got another storm in there somewhere.
All right. Thanks, Keith.